Hmm? Are you getting your baby ready to go to bed?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Are you gonna feed her?
Yeah.
Is she hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. Feed your baby.
This.
Hello.
Not pocket.
Hmm?
Not pocket. Not pocket.
Broken?
Yeah.
No. Oh, this is the camera was broken, but Papa fixed it. This is the camcorder. Show Grandma how you feed your baby. Show Grandma.
Grandma.
Yeah. Tell her this is how I feed my baby. Show her. Oh, I need to fix this. I was gonna break it, huh? Well, I'll just stand up. Okay. Show Grandma.
Grandma.
Feed your baby. Your baby's hungry. Feed her. Okay, what do you do after you feed your baby? Don't you need to burp her?
Yeah.
Okay, but pick her up and put her on your shoulder. You need to burp her. Pick her up. And burp her. Burp your baby. Burp your baby. There we go. Oh, you take such good care of your baby.
Mom.
And Malcolm.
Yeah, Mom. Be sleepy, Mama.
The baby's sleeping.
Yeah. Pocket. Not pocket.
It's not broken. I just need to take it apart and fix it.
Oh.
And put it back together again.
There.
Oh, you did it. Better? Okay, you fix it. Ready to go? Okay, I'm gonna fix it, but not right now. I'm gonna fix it later. Don't worry about it. Take care of your baby. Your baby's crying. Your baby's awake. She woke up from her nap.
Oh.
She's awake. She's going, wah, wah. Like that. Why do you think she's crying?
Sleepy, Mama.
She's sleepy?
Yeah.
Oh, she still needs to sleep some more?
Yeah.
Maybe you should feed her. Maybe she's hungry.
No.
Did you check her diapers?
Yeah. No.
She has poop?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we need to change her diapers.
Nope. Mama.
You change her diapers? Hmm?
Bottle, Mama.
Her bottle?
Yeah.
It's right here. It's all done.
I'll be sleepy, Mom.
The baby is sleepy. You want to give me a big hug?
Yeah.
Oh, I love you.
And
Another hug?
Mama, I.
Okay, give Grandma a big hug. Hug the camera. Oh, she's going to enjoy that great big hug. What about a kiss? Kiss right here. Kiss right there. Mwah.
kiss.
Yes, you gave Grandma a big kiss. Kiss Mama. Mwah.
Then Papa.
You're gonna give Papa a kiss?
Yes.
Oh, I think Papa's outside watering the plants. I forgot to water the plants. I think Papa's outside.